In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced color adjustments on Capture One. We'll focus on two powerful tools that work beautifully together: color balance for shaping the overall mood and tonal color, and the advanced tab in the color editor for precise selective tweaks. Start in the Color Tool tab and open Color Balance. Begin with the master wheel to set the overall tint of your image. Drag around the wheel to choose a hue and drag outward to increase the tint's strength. A little goes a long way here. Think of this as your global mood control. If the image needs a touch of warmth, nudge toward orange. For a cooler, moodier feel, lean into cyan or blue. Keep it subtle so your image still feels natural. Next, switch from the master wheel to the three-way controls: shadows, midtones, and highlights. These let you adjust different tonal ranges independently. Shadows influence the deepest tones, great for setting the base atmosphere. Midtones affect the main subject tones, often where skin, foliage, and the core details live. Highlights handle the brightest parts like skies or specular reflections. You can create cinematic depth by gently warming the highlights while cooling the shadows, or flip that for a clean, modern look. Always aim for balance so tones complement each other rather than competing. If needed, refine each range with saturation and lightness. Saturation controls how intense the color feels, while lightness affects the brightness of that range. A touch more saturation in the midtones can add richness to subjects, and a slight lightness adjustment in the highlights can help maintain sparkle without clipping. These refinements help glue the grade together and keep transitions smooth. For precise control over specific colors, open the color editor and switch to the Advanced tab. Use the color picker to click exactly the color you want to target, such as green foliage or a blue sky. Capture One shows that selection as a slice or wireframe on the color wheel, so you can see exactly what's being affected. Now fine-tune with hue, saturation, lightness, and smoothness. Hue shifts the color along the wheel, saturation intensifies or mutes it, and lightness brightens or darkens it. Smoothness softens the edges of your selection so transitions feel natural and don't create halos or hard edges. You can add more targeted colors by clicking the plus icon to stack multiple selections, ideal when adjusting skies, foliage, and skin separately. Use View Selected Color Range to isolate what's included, then refine until only the areas you want are affected. Combine these two tools thoughtfully. Set the global tone with color balance, then use Advanced Color Editor to perfect individual colors. The result is a cohesive, cinematic grade with precise, professional polish.